it?
I don't know, man. We broke down in the middle of everything.
Oh my gosh, in the middle.
Yeah, I'm gonna red light by Panda and Jack in a Box on the wall right here. In today's video, we are going to be completing the M4. So we got the dashboard. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually throw in the dashboard because that's all we got left with the interior. So we're gonna throw in the dashboard, throw in the glass, and then we're actually gonna tow this thing to my brother's shop because he got a lift. We got a lot of undercarriage work.
Drive shaft, exhaust, under shields, alignment.
It's a lot of things.
Yeah, pretty much. We got like what one full day of work, not much left to do. So, and it's gonna be ready, right?
Bro, we're gonna have an empty shop pretty soon. E63 is almost done. M4 is almost done.
M4 is almost done. Our Hummer is out. We actually got some plans with that thing. We'll tell you guys about that later. Got some new things coming. But other than that, let's go ahead and throw in the dashboard. Alright guys, so Roman completed the whole interior. We're now here the second day at my brother's shop to complete the whole undercarriage. We're talking about the exhaust, all the shields, stuff, but we needed a lift for this, man, because in our shop it's kind of uncomfortable. We do have a lift, we just gotta install it pretty much. Yeah. But for now, we just want to complete this car, so let's go ahead and just throw the whole undercarriage in.
on it first?
Hey, what happened?
I don't know, man. We broke down in the middle of everything.
Oh my gosh, in the middle.
Yeah, I'm gonna red light by Panda and Jack in a Box on the wall right here.
Come here and push. Yeah. I don't know.
It just stopped.
It's like cranking, but hella weird.
We're standing on a red light and it just shuts down. No, not
Drive chain.
It just said drivetrain malfunction. That's
But
about
that
it.
shit pops out for every other thing.
Yeah, it was already popped out. It was already there.
Did you rate it?
No.
We won't do it.
This car has barely 1,200 miles, bro. What did you do?
I don't know, man. We're stuck. I mean, we're just hanging out like in the middle. Just in the middle. We're just hanging out. Hey, you know what you should do? You should take a thumbnail. Run on that side, but don't get hit by a car. It's like a nice thumbnail.
That's not good, bro.
Dude, I think we need some Red Bull, man.
Crack a cold one.
Yeah. Man, this sucks.
Do you have time to talk about a car extended warranty?
I mean, I got a lot of time right now. It's already getting dark. Look, sunset. I mean, at least we witnessed the sunset.
Yeah.
Is these two things right here? Like people decide to stop behind us, right, and honk. I think they're just confused if we're deciding to turn left or right. You know,
I think we're turning left and right.
But we got time to just stand here and think which way we want to go.
Hey,
but
which way
I
do you
guess
wanna go, Victor?
there's gonna have to wait.
Left, back. Rock, paper, scissors.
If they can go around us, they're gonna have to wait. But I mean. So we might as well just talk about the car since we're here, just waiting, pretty much. I don't know what we're waiting for, but we gotta figure out. I mean, our shop is literally like right there. So we're debating if we should just push it all over there, because I don't think it's worth towing it, right? Mm-hmm. But I mean, at the same time, we're gonna have a friend bring the computer and see if we can actually just reprogram it or something. The thing is, what is the issue? It hit like dead on, like
Here's the
breaking
thing.
point, right?
There's the break-in service on these.
Breaking service. What? 1,250.
1,250, but it's right on the dot.
But
Yeah.
it's right on the dot and then completely shuts down. I think you have to like take it to the dealership.
Yeah.
Get the service done for it, but
Have them clear the light, whatever.
I don't know, man. So I don't know. I think you just gotta report, because I mean everything works good, right?
Everything works, yeah.
Everything works good. It idles. Everything just
It doesn't
start.
idle. It cranks, but it doesn't start,
Doesn't
which is
start,
really
yeah.
weird.
So I mean, I don't know. I don't know. We were supposed to go back to the shop, kind of do like a little inside the shop since there's light.
Talk about it.
We got enough light here. The car looks dope in this light right now, and we're like in the worst part of Sacramento right now. Watt Avenue and whatever, I don't know. Roseville Road. It's like this is literally where, you know, I don't know. So.
People disappear.
Yeah, just homeless people doing drugs.
You actually rolled your G-Wagon not too far from here too.
Yeah, I rolled it over there. But we did get pretty much everything done. We did install the exhaust, everything, undercarriage. All we got left is just the fender flares and just
Fender
the
liners,
shield.
yeah.
Fender liners, not fender flares. It's not a Jeep. Fender liners and the shield on the bottom. But that's about it. I mean, detailing. That's it.
Yeah.
The only problem we have right now is it just doesn't start. That's
Yeah.
it. But it's pretty much done. I mean,
We drove it. We drove it around.
We drove it around.
We took some
But
shots.
see, once it hit that breaking point, it just completely it stopped in the middle of the red light. I'm just
Yeah.
waiting behind you, and it just stops.
Yep.
That's it. It just stops. You know, so it's not like we were doing anything. We were not like guessing on it or none of that. You know what I mean? It just stopped on its own. You know, at a perfect mileage breaking point, I guess. Sadly, we are gonna have to end the video just like this. So that is going to be it for today's video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Also hit us up on our Instagram at @foreignbales, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. And hopefully the car's gonna be running again.